Discover the best bookshelf speakers that deliver rich, clear sound in a compact design, perfect for home audio, gaming, and streaming music. Starting at number 1, Edifier R1280T Bookshelf Speakers. Edifier R1280T powered bookshelf speakers, stylish and versatile 2.0 active speakers with 42W RMS total power, classic wooden enclosure, and dual RCA inputs for easy connection to PCs, laptops, phones, or turntables. These near-field studio monitor-style speakers deliver rich lows from foreign woofers and clear highs from silk dome tweeters, with tone controls and a handy remote included for bass, treble, and volume adjustment. Number 2. Edifier R1700 BTs Active Speakers. Edifier R1700 BTs Active Bluetooth Bookshelf Speakers, powerful 66. WRMS 2.0 active speakers with Bluetooth 5.0 and Qualcomm aptX HD for wireless streaming, a classic wooden MDF enclosure, and a subwoofer line-out to expand bass with an external sub. They feature dual RCA inputs for multiple wired sources and come with side panel controls and a remote for easy adjustment of volume, bass, and treble. Number 3. Klipsch R41M Bookshelf Speakers. Klipsch R41M reference bookshelf speakers pair, black. Compact yet powerful passive bookshelf speakers from Klipsch's reference series, featuring 1 LTS aluminum tweeters with 90 outside 90 degrees track tricks, horn technology, and 4 spun copper IMG woofers for dynamic clarity and efficient sound performance. Designed to serve as main speakers in small rooms or as part of a home theater setup, they deliver broad frequency response and lively audio with minimal distortion, all wrapped in a sleek black textured wood grain cabinet. Number 4. Polk Audio T15 Bookshelf Speakers. Polk Audio T15 Home Theater and Stereo Bookshelf Speakers, pair, black, compact passive bookshelf speakers designed for clear, balanced sound with deep bass response and Dolby and DTS surround support to enhance movies, music, and games. They feature a 5.25 dynamic balance woofer with a 0.75 silk dome tweeter, a front-firing bass port for punchier lows, and wall-mountable keyhole slots for flexible placement, making them a versatile choice for small to medium home audio systems. Number 5. Edifier R980T Bookshelf Speakers. Edifier R980T4 active bookshelf speakers, compact 2.0 powered speakers with built-in amplification, about 24W total RMS power that plugs straight into your PC, TV, phone, or other device with dual RCA AUX inputs, no external amp needed. The pair features foreign woofers with a flared bass reflex port and 13mm tweeters inside classic wooden enclosures for rich, balanced sound, ideal for desks, small rooms, or casual listening.